world.
Yeah. But there's something going on, right? If they're all fucking doing this. Especially them tank ones.
Chaser. Why is the chaser going so fast and we're not?
Look at the box.
Oh my god.
That's like in the film.
Standing there and looking.
No, that's like in that film. Into the Storm.
You're not. You're doing 77.
That's like in the film. That's like in the film Into the Storm, when he's sat at the top, when he's in the eye and he's going like that, and then he just goes sucked back in. It's like, no, like Dennis Quaid, like you do that. No, it wasn't Dennis Quaid. Yeah, it was.
Into the Storm?
Yeah.
I don't know, I've seen that.
The one at the end, newish.
I saw one that's like, they just do a lot of special effects, it wasn't very good.
I don't think I know about.
There's a really new one, like a year or two old film, about people that chase twisters and it's shite.
I think I know what you're on about, the cheaply made TV.
Oh, I will make it.
TV
Like,
movies.
I think it'll be Iowa. Yeah. Look at these there.
Sure, have a bit of faith, pick what you think. What you're
aren't they?
See, they've been cooking under the sun, then they just go boom, you watch. Ready? There they go.
Yeah.
If it makes any consolation, when I have a drink, because I feel something's good,
You know what? You might have to go to
celebrating.
Omaha and then north, just in case.
So where are we heading?
Northeast Nebraska.
North.
Have a bit of faith in your decisions.
The temperature just shot up from 51